car seat covers protect upholstery from spills, stains, wear, and damage while enhancing comfort and style. Today's video is about top 5 best car seat covers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Florice car seat covers. These universal car seat covers are a perfect combination of style, comfort, and protection. Designed to fit most cars, SUVs, trucks, sedans, and hatchbacks, the full set includes 2 front seat covers and 3 back seat covers, providing complete coverage for your vehicle's interior. Measuring your seats beforehand ensures an ideal fit, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Crafted from premium faux leather with a diamond-stitched pattern, these seat covers add a sleek, luxurious look while offering durability. They protect original seats from spills, stains, pet hair, UV rays, and scratches. The waterproof, scratch-resistant, and fade-proof material ensures long-lasting use, while the breathable design keeps every drive comfortable. Engineered for a precise fit, they maintain full accessibility to airbags, seat belts, headrests, armrests, child seats, and seat adjustments. Detachable front headrest covers and back pockets add convenience. Installation is straightforward with included hooks and chucks, offering a slip-free fit. Rear covers offer 2 installation methods, hook or buckle, making setup simple. A stylish, practical upgrade for any car interior. Now our second product is CarPass car seat covers. These premium Nappa leather front seat covers are a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and protection for your vehicle. Crafted from high-quality black Nappa leather with a stylish diamond-shaped design, they add sophistication to your car's interior while safeguarding seats from spills, stains, pet hair, scratches, and wear. The water-resistant and breathable material ensures durability and comfort during every drive. A standout feature is the built-in 3D memory foam lumbar support, which provides continuous ergonomic support, reducing fatigue on long commutes or road trips. The covers are airbag compatible, with reserved openings and separate headrest covers, ensuring safety without compromising convenience. Universal fit design works for most sedans, SUVs, vans, and trucks, and installation is simple with no tools required. Anti-slip backing keeps the covers securely in place, while the back storage pockets provide extra organization for small items like keys, wallets, or sunglasses. After a week, wrinkles from packaging naturally disappear, leaving a smooth, professional finish. Our third product is Hesh's car seat covers. These Nappa leather car seat covers combine style, comfort, and protection, making them a great upgrade for any vehicle. Made from high-quality, breathable leather, they provide excellent moisture absorption and durability while enhancing overall driving comfort. The non-slip backing ensures the seat covers stay securely in place, preventing any unwanted shifting during use. Designed for all-weather use, these covers are waterproof and protective in rain or snow, while remaining breathable and comfortable in hot or cold conditions. This makes them suitable for year-round use, maintaining a cozy and pleasant driving experience. Available in a variety of colors, including black, black-red, black-gray, black-white, gray-black, and brown coffee, and in standard or luxury versions, these covers offer options for both aesthetics and comfort. Luxury models include additional headrests for enhanced support. Practicality is built in with 2 rear pockets for storing small items like phones, keys, or magazines, helping keep your car organized. Installation is simple and straightforward with the included instructions, allowing for a secure, hassle-free fit. Now number 4, Coverado car seat covers. These luxury Nappa leather car seat covers offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection for any vehicle. Designed with 3D modeling, they feature a modern, stylish look and built-in lumbar support, adding a touch of sophistication while enhancing driving comfort. The premium Nappa leather provides a soft, high-quality feel, elevating your car's interior experience. The full set includes 2 front seat covers and 3 back covers, designed for universal fit across most cars, SUVs, trucks, and pickups. For the best results, measuring your seats beforehand ensures compatibility. These seat covers offer superior protection, guarding against spills, stains, pet hair, and harmful UV rays. They are waterproof, breathable, fade-resistant, and durable for long-term use. Functionality is fully maintained. Airbags, seat belts, armrests, and seat adjustments remain accessible, with separate headrest covers for comfort and safety. Installation is simple with included hooks and chucks, supported by video or printed instructions. Once installed, these covers provide lasting protection and a premium, elegant look for your vehicle. And our last choice is Hesh's car seat covers. These Nappa leather car seat covers are an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's interior with comfort, style, and protection. Made from high-quality Nappa leather, they are soft, breathable, and moisture-absorbent, while the strong coloring ensures long-lasting durability. The non-slip backing keeps the covers securely in place, preventing any sliding during use. Designed for all-weather protection, these seat covers are waterproof and perform well in rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. They stay comfortable in hot weather and provide warmth during colder months, making them ideal for year-round use. Available in a variety of colors, including black, black-red, black-gray, black-white, gray-black, and brown coffee, and in standard or luxury versions with added headrests. They combine aesthetics with functionality. Practical features like 2 back pockets provide convenient storage for small items, keeping your car organized. Installation is straightforward with the provided instructions, ensuring a secure fit and hassle-free setup. Stylish, protective, and functional, these seat covers are a worthwhile investment for any car owner. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.